Dash, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, we mentioned about the different possibility. When we mentioned made this one turn to a flat for one more drop, as we can see, the price dropped, but it didn't. I mean, it didn't retest the previous low. Okay, now the question is, what's this? Whether this is a correction relative to this, we can expect to get one more drop, or this one can turn to a more complex correction. Anyway, we move to daily chart. You want to see what we have based on daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we mentioned we can look for this flat, or either we can put this one relative to any of this. Mostly we're looking for this flat. That's mean if you get any reversal for buy for long term, we will trade. And in this case, we move to forward chart. But what we can see from the forward chart is really corrective. And even we mentioned, can we look at this as a flat for one more drop? Because most of the charts we get this one. Anyway, even based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we're looking at this part. The best things is we refer to 1 hour chart. And as we mentioned, if we want to put this one as a flat in relative to this one have to break the previous low. Then from there, we can look for reversal. But as we can see, the price drop and we get this correction. Mostly we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. But if this one give us any drop, then from there, maybe we can look for reversal. How about if the price reverse from here? We cannot get any trade setup within this unless we get the sharp move flag or having entry above this. And what I can see, we don't have any trade setup. And how about if this one turn to flat for one move up before price drop? Okay, the best thing is we wait. We want to see how deep this one can go. If this one turn to a corrective move, maybe we can consider similar to any of this for one more drop. Okay. Anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. The best thing is we wait, we see how this one can form. Then from there we make a decision whether we can look for trade or not. Okay. Because if we refer to our analyze again, we were expected this one to break the previous low because we mentioned we can look for this flat, but the price dropped, but it couldn't break the previous low and reversing is as a corrective move. In this case, the only thing is we can have entry above this in case the price sharply reverse from here. But what we want the price break and continue the price tag. And we see within the first or second hours is not moving. We just take out the trade. But besides that, we need to consider the gap, the zone between this is quite a lot. Okay. That's why having entry above this is also an option, but it's really risky. The best thing is we wait, we see what we get here. Then from there, if we get any trade setup, we can look for. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.